In this video, we will design a simple cable clip that can hold wires neatly on your desk or wall. The goal is to create a curved shape that grips the cable while remaining easy to 3D print. We will use sketches to define the path of the clip and then convert the sketch into a solid model. This approach gives us more control over the shape and makes it easier to customize. To begin, we shall start by creating the first curve. Go to the Drawing tool, then select 3D Sketch. Select Arc 3. This allows you to draw a line and extend an arc around it to create the foundation that will define the overall path of the cable clip. This is important as we want our cable clips to have smooth, rounded shapes. Smooth curves prevent sharp edges that could damage the cable and also improve the final print quality. Ensure the symmetry is activated. This ensures the clip is perfectly balanced on both sides. For this video, we shall select the Z-axis. Next, position your cursor on the workspace. Then, set the point positions X and Y to 0 and Z to -25. This step establishes a stable reference point for the entire design. Extend the curve path. This shape is important because it creates two almost circular cable holding channels. These sections will allow the cables to snap into place well and prevent them from slipping out easily. Deactivate the symmetry, then select Arc 2. We are using this as it allows the curve flow naturally. After selecting it, draw a straight line to connect the two almost circular sketches. Then extend it outward a little so the whole sketch have an S shape. The outward extension created allows the cables to be inserted easily. Select the profile, go to Tools, then select Follow Path. This tool allows us to convert the 2D sketch path into a 3D solid model. Click Extrude, then, in Position option, choose Bottom Top. Setting Bottom Top ensures the geometry grows evenly relative to the path, preventing distortion. Then, finalize the Follow Path tool. Scale the design to your intended size by selecting Scale tool and adjusting the model. For our case, we shall scale it by setting Y to 60. Next, click Deform, then choose Flatten. In the Coordinate section, set Y to 55. Flattening ensures flat mounting surface and improved stability during printing. The cable clip is now ready. You can then activate the color option and choose your preferred color. Slice the model and send it to your 3D printer. After 3D printing, you can now use it to organize your cables. Use the skills you have learned in this tutorial to design your own 3D model. If you haven't signed up for SelfCAD, sign up today for a free account and start your 3D design journey.